Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure ARM Templates, parameters, and how different types of parameters can be utilized with your ARM templates. Let's get started. The first one is giving a description for your parameter. So in this example, you can look into the virtual machine size, and in the metadata, I can give a description must be at least standard A3 to support. And then the default value, you can see I have given standard DS1 V2. So this description will help the user when they are keying in the parameter when somebody else is using your templates. The next one is a minimal declaration. Each parameter by minimal needs a name and then a type that it is defined. So in this example, we can see there are like a string type, integer, or boolean, or array. The next one is secure parameters. When you have parameters that are more like connection string, passwords, and things, you don't want to store that in a deployment history, then we'll make that as a secure parameter. In this case, a demo password or a secure object made as a secure string, or you can have it as a type secure object as well. Allowed values. Allowed values are literally used to restrict the values. So in this case, allowed values, I'm giving it as an array, which has a default value of 1 or 2. So whenever they are entering the values, it will allow only either of these two options, and they cannot have anything other than that. Default value, which is important. In certain cases, you want to give a default value. In this case, default string is given as contour. There are the next one is length constraints. So there are certain parameters which is string. Then you can give a minimum length and a maximum length. So in this case, it's minimum length is 3, maximum length is 24. In the last episode, we were looking at the storage name. We were using this option. And then if you're giving as an array, minimum length you can give as 1, and then you can give as 5, which is in this case for app names. Integer constraints, in the same like the string, you're doing like an integer, and then you're giving like a minimum value and you're giving a maximum value. Objects also can be used as parameters. So if you have a complex parameter, then you can use this type as object. And then in the default value, in this case, you can see the name is given as vnet, and then the location is east US, address prefix. You can have multi-level, and then eventually you can use that. How do we use the parameters? You can use the parameters by calling the function parameters of. So in this case, you can see there is a parameter defined as vault name, and then eventually it is being utilized in when they are creating the vault. You can see that the name is being in the square brackets, which says parameters of vault name. And that's how you utilize it. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode with another topic. Thank you.